The U.S. Senate passed $14.5 million in federal funding for Michigan health centers as part of the Paycheck Protection Program and Health Care Enhancement Act. Local 3's Peter Curry spoke with Senator Gary Peters about the importance of providing support for medical facilities during this pandemic. Peter?
U.S. Senator Gary Peters is aware that people are concerned that should they contract the COVID-19 virus, they may not be adequately insured. He, along with U.S. Senator Debbie Stabenow, want to make sure that people have the health care they need.
When we're in the midst of a pandemic, there's no question that we have to make sure that we're providing services, healthcare services to folks, and people have an opportunity to get the treatments that they need. That's why federally funded healthcare centers are so important. It was important to get over $600,000 for the Upper Peninsula. We worked aggressively to make sure that that happened. But generally, I want to make sure that everybody has access to quality, affordable healthcare.
Senator Peters believes that this is a time for the country to come out ahead of this pandemic.
I certainly hope we don't make decisions based on party lines. This should not be a political issue. For us to get through the COVID crisis means that we all have to come together as Michiganders and as Americans to understand that together we will get through, that we want to all, and certainly I'm like everybody else, I want to get this economy opened as soon as we can. I also want to make sure we're doing it safely. And part of that is to make sure we're in regular conversations with our healthcare professionals, our epidemiologists, our public health experts that talk about how we can do both, because we must do both. We have both a public health crisis and an economic crisis, but it's difficult to deal with the economic crisis unless we first address the healthcare crisis.
Tonight at 11, I'm putting together the rest of my interview with Senator Peters, where we talk about the possibility of hacking from foreign governments and how it could impact our treatment of people in the United States. Reporting from my home, I'm Peter Curry, Local 3 News.